Hello viewers and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video I am going to guide you through the process of recognizing music on iPhone 16. You know iPhones have built-in Shazam support for music and audio recognition. To access this feature, you need to swipe down the control center from top right. Now from here, tap on this Shazam shortcut. After that, your device will automatically recognize the nearby music playing and show you its details like this on the screen. Well, Shazam also maintains a record of all the music recognized from your devices. You can check it by accessing the Shazam app. From here, tap on My Music. After that, tap on Songs here. All the list of recognized music and audio will appear here. You can also use Shazam shortcut to recognize music of audio and video played on your device. Tap on Shazam shortcut from the control center again. Now, from here, open the app playing video or audio. As you can see, it has recognized the music and has shown its details on the screen. Now, exit the app and go to Shazam again. You can see our newly recognized track has also been added to the list. Shazam maintains every record in real time. And that's about it. Now you know how to recognize music on iPhone 16. I hope you found this tutorial informative. If yes, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos.